Alright, so to do sourcing here, this is what you are going to do first. So come to over to this U, the last one here, then click on it, go over to setting. Your own is going to be in Chinese language, so you're going to count from here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so on the sixth part, the one that has a word on it, click on it. That's where you're going to switch your language. Then you come to the second one, you click on the language, then you're going to see English, then you select English. Then to this place, you don't need to do anything here, just leave it. It will automatically turn to English. Then click OK. That's English. Okay, so when you come over to your home page, then sourcing is just like what you are looking for. If you're looking for anything, just come to this place and search like that thing that you're looking for. Okay, so it's going to bring it out for you. So once the thing is out already for you, you click on it. Then when you click on it, don't just screenshot it from here. Okay, don't screenshot from here. What you're going to do is click on this one that says almost gone, this red part, then click on it. You are going to see the qualities, the size, and everything here. So this is where you actually make your deal. So you're going to say, okay, simple home style drinking cup. Okay, is it 4 pieces plus 4 spoon? So that means that this one has 4 pieces, just like this. Okay, so when you select this, you see it changes. It's 25.2. okay, so when you click on the image that is here, this is where you're going to screenshot. When you screenshot, don't just stop there, then click on this arrow that is on your top right hand side on this place, then click on it. You're going to see something like this, the last one that has double link stuff. Okay, just copy it. That is how to copy it. So when you copy this thing now, you head back to your WhatsApp where you're going to paste it. So when you open your WhatsApp, okay, then you just find the person that you want to send it to. Let's say for example now, just find the person that you want to send it to, paste it, then paste the screenshot. Okay, I didn't screenshot it. Then paste the screenshot. Okay, then you send. So this is how to source for things here. Okay, so when you are done sourcing, that's all you need for sourcing. So you are good with this one. So it depends on what you just want. Anything that you just want, it's all the same. If you want to source for phones, the same thing. You just come. The only thing here is that you need to be careful of what you're actually looking for, because some of these things are not the way it says to be. So you have to just lead through it well. You have to go through it, know this storage capacity. If it's 256 you are looking for, then you have to check if it's 19 unit 3 use, that is, it is 9% need 3 use. Okay, so here you have to check whether it has Face ID or without Face ID, original camera and display. Okay, so you have to check all these things, and the more you check, the more the price changes. So you can see this one is 1379. This is different from 1269. Okay, so that is all you have to consider. Then once you are done with that, screenshot and then copy the link and share. Okay, so the price that you are seeing 1111.6 is your price. Okay, so anything you are calculating onto, that is what you use. So back to this place, so you can just go around, explore the places. Then the next thing that you need to also know is about this now, to make inquiries. So for example, now you want to get these cups and you want to make sure that this is the same cup that you want to use. So you come over to this place, you see chat here, then click on the chat. Then you're going to screenshot the image if possible, or if you want, just screenshot the image, then move down to this place that says chat, this chat now. Then you paste the image, go to your image, then you paste the image. Then once you paste the image, you have to have a translator here. So your translator is going to be in China specified. Then you are going to type in I want to know about this products. Okay, so once you're done with that, you copy and then you come over to this place and then you paste. So once you paste it, you send. So you're going to wait for a reply from them. Once you send it, you just have to wait for a response from them. Then when they respond to your messages, then you can now know what you just chat with them. Feel free, ask them questions, ask them how it works and everything. So when you're done with that, then you can just come over to this place. You can, if you want to buy something but you're not sure that you are buying it now, just save it, click on save, it will save. Okay, so the next time you want to get those things that you just save, you come to this place that says which list. You just click on it. You're going to see the list of things that you actually want to buy but not yet chanced, or you don't have the money yet. Okay, it should just be waiting for you there. Okay, so I guess that that is all for now. So if you have any other question that you would want to ask, just feel free to ask me those questions. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Did I have to say that?